The Indian Army is implementing a significant shift in its military planning by formally adopting red teaming, a wargaming and strategic assessment approach pioneered by the United States and Israel. This method is specifically designed to simulate an adversary's mindset and operational behavior, such as those of commanders like Pakistan's General Asim Munir, in order to enhance the Army's own preparedness and improve decision-making. Red teaming is fundamentally about forming a specialized group within the military that acts as the enemy, critically challenges the Army's own strategies, and anticipates how an adversary might respond. The process includes embedding officers with deep insight into the enemy's mindset, tactics, and likely response patterns directly into the core of the planning process. Their chief roles are challenging existing operational plans, simulating potential enemy counteractions, ensuring that Indian military strategies are robust against realistic adversarial tactics. On May 9, 2025, India's air defense systems achieved a significant milestone by intercepting and destroying 1,000 drones and missiles launched by Pakistan in a coordinated aerial offensive codenamed Operation Sindoor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, addressing a special session of Parliament, described the attack as a massive but failed provocation. He credited India's unprecedented air defense operation for successfully neutralizing every single projectile before it could cause damage. Modi emphasized the scale and speed of the attempted assault, noting that the drones, including Turkey-sourced Baykar YIHA-3 kamikaze models, primarily targeted civilian areas in Amritsar, Punjab. According to Indian intelligence, this barrage was part of a broader strategy to saturate and overwhelm Indian airspace with fast, low-flying drones and cruise missiles. India has developed its first dual stealth drone that is cloaked in an advanced nanotech material called Rama, radar absorption and multispectral adaptive, created by Hyderabad-based Vera Dynamics. This nanotech stealth coating can be applied as paint or a wrap to military platforms, including drones. Rama works by blending two carbon compounds that absorb radar waves and convert them into heat, which is dissipated at about 1.5 degrees Celsius per second. The material also synchronizes with ambient temperatures to achieve thermal balance, significantly reducing the drone's radar cross-section and infrared, IR, heat signature. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has categorically stated that no world leader asked India to stop or suspend Operation Sindoor, directly refuting former U.S. President Donald Trump's claims that he had pressured India and Pakistan to cease hostilities during the conflict in May 2025. Modi emphasized that India acted on its sovereign decision and that the operation is still ongoing, with Pakistan remaining on notice. He highlighted his conversation with then U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance on May 9, where he warned that India would respond fiercely if Pakistan launched an attack, making it clear that no external mediation influenced India's decision-making in the matter. Modi further asserted that India's military response was decisive and effective, destroying over 100 terrorists and their camps across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir in just 22 minutes. Operation Sindoor was framed as a demonstration of India's made-in-India military might, utilizing indigenous technology and weapons that gained global attention. Modi criticized Pakistan's false claims about damages to Indian airbases, particularly debunking reports about the destruction of India's Adampur Air Force Base, which he personally inspected intact.